5 sentences using kore. It means this, referring to something near the speaker. Number 1 is kore wa watashi no ballpen desu. It means this is my ballpen. Kore means this, indicating the ballpen is near the speaker. Wa is the topic marker and watashi no means my. Ballpen means ballpen, and des is a polite ending. Second is kore wa oishi ringo desu. This is a delicious apple. Kore refers to the apple being near the speaker, and they might be holding or pointing to it. Wa is the topic marker and oishi means delicious. Ringo means apple. Des is a polite ending. Third is kore wa atatakai ocha desu. It means this is warm tea. Kore indicates the warm tea is close to the speaker, and wa is the topic marker. Atatakai means warm. Ocha means tea, and des is a polite ending. Number 4 is kore wa kawaii inu desu. This is a cute dog. Kore means the cute dog is near the speaker, and wa is the topic marker. Kawaii means cute. Inu means dog, and des is a polite ending. Fifth is kore wa watashi no kasa desu. It means this is my umbrella. Kore signifies this, so the umbrella is near the speaker. Wa is the topic marker and watashi no means my. Kasa means umbrella and des is a polite ending. 5 sentences using sore. It means that, referring to something near the listener. Number 1 is sore wa anata no hon desu. It means that is your book. Sore means that, so the book is near the listener. Wa is the topic marker and anata no means your. Hon means book and des is a polite ending. Number 2 is sore wa omoshiroi anime desu. That is an interesting anime. Sore means that, indicating the interesting anime is near the listener. Wa is the topic marker and omoshiroi means interesting. Anime means anime. Des is a polite ending. Number 3 is sore wa yasashi niko desu. That it means that is a gentle cat. Sore refers to the gentle cat being near the listener. Wa is the topic marker and yasashi means gentle. Niko means cat and des is a polite ending. Number 4 is sore wa anata no jitensha desu ka. Is that your bicycle? Sore means that, so the bicycle is near the listener and wa is the topic marker. Anata no means yours. Jitensha means bicycle and des is a polite ending. Ka is the question particle. Number 5 is sore wa kiri nabara desu. It means that is a beautiful rose. Sore means that, so the beautiful rose is near the listener. Wa is the topic marker and kiri na means beautiful. Bara means rose and This is a polite ending. 5 sentences using are, that over there, referring to something far from both and speaker and listener. Number 1 is sorry wa ari wa sensei des. That over there is a teacher. Are means that over there. So the teacher is far from both the speaker and listener. Wa is the topic marker and sensei means teacher. Des is a polite ending. Second is ariwa oki kides. That over there is a big tree. Are means that and over there, so the big tree is far from the both and the speaker and the listener. Wa is the topic marker and oki means big. Ki means tree and des is a polite ending. Number 3 is are wa watashi no ochi desu. Means that over there is my house. Are means that over there and so the house is distant from both. Wa is the topic marker and watashi no means my. Ochi means house and des is a polite ending. Number 4 is ari wa aoi sori desu. That over there is a blue sky. Are means that over there, so the blue sky is far from the both speaker and the listener. Wa is the topic marker and aoi means blue, sora means sky, and des is a polite ending. Number 5 is ariwa Tokyo Tower desu. That over there is Tokyo Tower. Are means that and means that over there. So Tokyo Tower is far from both speaker and listener. Wa is the topic marker and Tokyo Tower means Tokyo Tower. And this is a polite ending. Thank you, ma'am.